Power BI Feature Overview. Learn about hybrid tables for Power BI Premium. Hybrid tables combine the analytical data engine performance of VertiPaq in-memory caches with the real-time capabilities of DirectQuery to unlock massive datasets for real-time interactive analysis. To demonstrate, let's set up a report to closely watch what users are saying on Twitter about Power BI and its peer technologies on the Power Platform. We begin by going to the Tweets table and configuring the parameters within the Power Query editor. Next, we set up the prerequisites for incremental refresh based on hybrid tables by creating range start and range end parameters so that we can filter the tweets table based on a date range. It's now time to create a custom filter, which is after the range start time and before the range end time. This defines the window of time Power BI will import the data incrementally into the table. Everything after the range end will be picked up by the DirectQuery partition that incremental refresh based on hybrid tables will create for us. Let's set up the incremental refresh policy next. Returning to our tweets table, we begin creating the incremental refresh policy from the drop-down menu. In this instance, we set up a 1-year archive window and 1 day for scheduled incremental refreshes. To let incremental refresh take advantage of support for hybrid tables, we choose the optional setting, Get the latest data in real time with the DirectQuery. Note that hybrid tables is a premium feature, so we can only upload this dataset to a Power BI Premium workspace. We are ready to publish this report to the Power BI service. At this point, it's important to configure the data source credentials and specify a refresh schedule. Keep in mind that the incremental refresh policy we just configured only takes effect when Power BI refreshes the dataset. Refreshing the dataset directly after publishing ensures Power BI has a chance to apply our incremental refresh policy, create several important partitions for archiving and refresh, plus the real-time partition. Without that real-time partition, any new changes on the data warehouse side after the last dataset refresh would not be picked up. We double-check the refresh history to review that everything has completed refreshing successfully. Refreshing the dataset manually is always an option. Another important step is configuring the automatic page refresh. Switching the report into edit mode, we enable and expand page refresh and set the desired frequency. This premium capacity allows page refreshes as quickly as every 15 seconds, so let's use this as the value here, ensuring that the latest tweets come in with minimum delay. With the report saved, let's review the average sentiment score across Power Platform. Also notice that the latest time of tweets is currently at 4:37 p.m. for all Power Platform buzz on Twitter. 4:37 p.m. is when the last tweets came in. Notice when we interact with the report and select Power BI, the data is filtered and the latest time of tweets refers to the latest tweet for Power BI. We can quickly filter through the other Power Platform applications to view the real-time tweet analysis for Power Virtual Agents, Power Apps, and Power Automate. When we return to the combined tweets for all Power Platform by clicking to the right of the icons to clear the filter, we can clearly notice that tweets newer than 4:37 p.m. are now also included. While we interacted with the report, it picked up the latest changes from the data warehouse, indicated by the latest time of tweets now updated to 4:41 p.m. And even if we don't interact with the report, the automatic page refresh feature in Power BI ensures that incoming new tweets are picked up according to the configured interval. Hybrid tables will unlock massive data sets with billions of rows for interactive analysis, while providing a great solution for real-time business analytic requirements. We welcome you to learn more about Power BI at these links and at powerbi.microsoft.com. Thank you for watching.